Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. The COVID-19 tally in Bhubaneswar surpassed 900 mark with 60 new infectees in last 24 hours. With this, the total number of confirmed cases reached 919 with 500 active cases in Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Wednesday announced that Odisha will facilitate plasma therapy to the critically ill COVID-19 patients free of cost. He said the Odisha government is committed to provide advanced medical care and treatment to the people infected with COVID-19 in the state. Rajasthan HC on Thursday deferred the hearing on disqualification notice served on MLAs of the rebel Sachin pilot camp. The High Court granted time to the pilot camps to file fresh petition, and the matter will be heard now by division bench when the amended petition is filed. As many as 68 killed in Assam floods after 2 more people died on Thursday. Around 48 lakh people affected across 30 districts due to floods in the state as of July 15. As many as 487 relief camps have been set up by the district administration, in which over 1.25 lakh people have been taken shelter. Women police constable Sunita Yadav, who had a confrontation with a minister's son over lockdown violation which led to his arrest here in Gujarat, claimed she has resigned from service. However, a senior police official has denied it. National Carrier Air India Limited's board of directors approved a leave without pay scheme for its permanent employees for a period of 6 months to 2 years, which is extendable up to 5 years in a bid to cut costs during the current pandemic. In an inspiring gesture, hundreds of paramilitary jawans recovered recently from the COVID-19 infection have come forward to donate plasma for saving lives of the patients still undergoing treatment and contributed towards the country's fight against coronavirus. So far, at least 2,000 paramilitary personnel have recovered from the virus, while another 1,400 are still recovering out of a total number of 3,300 reported cases. The Uttarakhand government has decided to convert waste generated in the state to electricity under an initiative titled Waste to Energy. At present, 900 tons of waste is generated in the hill states every day, according to the state government data. Hug with responsibility. Students follow social distancing and share a COVID-19 hug after checking their 12th exam results. Unidentified hackers broke into the Twitter accounts of Barack Obama, Joe Biden, Mike Bloomberg, Amazon CEO, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Celebrities Kanye West and his wife Kim Kardashian West were also hacked. The fake tweets offered to send USD 2,000 for every USD 1,000 sent to an anonymous Bitcoin address. Considering the present situation, virtual meetings, remote collaboration, flexible hours are here to stay. Keeping all these factors in mind, tech giant Google has unveiled a massive redesign of Gmail for G Suite business users. Google has unified its communication platform, which includes Gmail, Chat, and Meet. Thank you for watching, and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.